Before we begin, subscribe for more quick Roku Wi-Fi and streaming fixes. If your Roku TV keeps disconnecting from Wi-Fi, the problem is often signal strength, router placement, or connection settings. In this video, I'll show you several easy fixes that can help stop the dropouts and keep your Roku connected during streaming. Let's get started. Step 1. Restart the Roku TV. Turn it off completely or unplug it from power for about 30 seconds. Step 2. Restart your router and modem. This refreshes the connection and clears temporary network issues. Step 3. Reconnect the Roku TV to Wi-Fi. Forget the network on the Roku TV, then reconnect and enter the password again. Step 4. Move the router closer if possible. Weak signal strength is a common reason Roku devices disconnect. Step 5. Reduce interference. Keep the router away from microwaves, thick walls, and crowded electronics. Step 6. Test another band if available. If your router supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, try the other one and see which is more stable. Step 7. Check for Roku system updates. An update can fix bugs affecting Wi-Fi stability. Step 8. Lower network congestion if needed. Pause heavy downloads or too many streaming devices sharing the same connection. If your Roku TV still drops Wi-Fi after all of this, the issue may be with the router, signal strength, or the Roku TV's wireless hardware. Subscribe for more Roku, TV, and home tech troubleshooting videos.